Gimbal modes. Smart X3 has 3 motor axes, namely the pan axis that controls the left and right direction of the phone, the tilt axis that controls the up and down direction of the phone, and the roll axis that controls the tilt direction of the phone. The Smart X3 offers 6 different modes. You can tell the current mode at a glance from the indicator icons on the remote. PF mode. Pan axis follows, tilt and roll locked. This mode is suitable for horizontal panning shots. F mode. Pan and tilt follow, roll locked. This allows the phone to follow left-right or up-down handle movements. Ideal for horizontal panning shots, tilt shots, or overhead shots. L mode. All axes locked. Allowing for stable push, pull or tracking shots. POV mode. All axes unlocked. This mode allows tilting for unique, angled shots, adding more versatility to your shooting angles. DM mode. Auto 180 degrees rotation shots. Sport mode. Same as F mode but stronger motors for fast moves.